Welcome to Byte Further. If you're now troubled by iPhone XR not charging properly, issues like iPhone XR won't charge at all, charges extremely slow, charges intermittently, or it won't charge past 1%, 80%, etc., we're here to help. In this video, you'll know the reasons for the battery not charging issues and a few solutions of how to fix iPhone XR that won't charge. Now, let's move on. It's annoying when your iPhone XR has charging problems. For example, after connecting to a charger with a cord, your iPhone XR shows charging but not charging, or it takes too long to charge, or it does charge soon after being plugged in. However, your iPhone XR stops charging randomly. It charges up to a certain point and won't increase the battery percentage at all. Maybe your iPhone XR battery won't charge past 3% or above 80%. Sometimes, you can't charge your phone because it keeps restarting. Or, you find your iPhone XR not charging or turning on even though you've charged the phone all night. Alright, first, why is your iPhone XR not charging when plugged in with a cord or wirelessly, or it takes too long to charge? There are a few possible reasons. The charging cable is not working. Your iPhone XR charger won't go in all the way because it's not working. You didn't plug it into a wall outlet or power bank that has power. The charging port is dirty or broken, preventing your iPhone XR from charging properly. The system goes wrong and crashes, remaining unresponsive to the charging. The battery itself needs to be replaced. Hardware issues. For example, many users might find their iPhone XR not charging after water, dropping down on the floor, and something alike. Or, perhaps you have a defective battery or charging port. Now that you know the causes, what follows up in this video is how to fix iPhone XR not charging. Let's start. Step 1. Check the charging cable. If you can't charge your iPhone XR with USB cable, the very first thing to do is to check the cord itself. First, make sure the charging cable is not bent, worn, or torn. If it's damaged, use another USB cable that's in good condition. Second, make sure you're using an Apple-certified USB charging cable. Third, unplug the cable and plug it into iPhone XR firmly again. If your iPhone XR still won't charge when plugged in, use the cable to charge another iOS device. If another iOS device charges normally with cable, go to the next method. Step 2. Check the charger. If the cable is working well but your iPhone XR won't charge or turn on even after charging all night, take a look at the charger and the adapter. First, use a good charger and switch if it's damaged. Second, make sure you're using an Apple-certified USB charging charger and adapter. Third, unplug the cable and adapter from the charger, and then plug them back in firmly. If the device still will not charge, charges too slow, or keeps connecting and disconnecting after being plugged into power, use the charger and adapter to charge another iOS device. If it charges, go to the next method. Step 3. Check the power sources. If both the charger and cable work normally, verify the power outlet. If you're charging your iPhone XR with a laptop or car USB port and it takes forever to charge, try using the wall outlet to charge it. That's because the USB ports from the laptop and the car are likely to fail to give enough juice to power up your phone. If the issue is iPhone XR not charging wirelessly, use the wall power outlet and vice versa. Step 4. Clean the charging port. A dirty charging port is a common cause that your iPhone XR is charging but not increasing. Here, we'll show you how to clean the charging port on your iPhone XR. Shut down your iPhone XR, flash the light into the port and see if there's any debris. Then, use the Q-tip or a toothpick to loosen the gunk. Keep doing this slightly until you wipe clean the charging port completely. Once done, press the power button to boot up your iPhone XR and plug it into wall power. Now, see if your iPhone XR charges. Step 5. Restart iPhone XR. If your confusion is iPhone XR not charging above 80%, 3%, or it charges then stops randomly without showing the green lighting battery icon, the system may go wrong. In this case, turn off your phone and then turn it back on. Here's what you need to do. Press and hold down both the volume down button and side button until you see the power off slider. Drag the power off slider to the right to shut down the phone. After 30 seconds, press and hold the power button on the right to boot it up. Once you reach the home screen, charge your iPhone XR to a wall power outlet. Step 6. Force restart iPhone XR. If the restart doesn't work, try force restarting your iPhone XR. Rest assured no data will be lost. Quickly press the volume up button, and volume down button, and keep pressing the side button. The screen will turn black. Continue holding the side button until the screen displays the Apple logo. Now, the Apple logo shows up. Let go of the button. Wait for a few seconds. Your iPhone XR will boot up to the home screen. Now, plug it into the wall power with a charging cable and charger. If everything goes well, your iPhone XR is charging now and displays the green battery icon at the top right corner. Step 7. Update iOS software. An outdated iOS software version could also make your phone not charging at all. To eliminate this possible cause, update your phone to the latest iOS version through a computer. Plug your iPhone XR into the computer and run iTunes or Finder. Then, put your iPhone XR into recovery mode. Quickly press the volume up button, volume down button, and keep pressing the side button. Don't release the button if you see the Apple logo. Now, you should see a computer icon with a cable pointing to it. Let go of the side button and go to iTunes or Finder. You'll see a message saying it detects an iPhone that's in problem. From there, click Update and follow the on-screen instructions to trigger the update process. It might take around 2 hours to download the iOS software package and install it into your iPhone XR to fix charging problems. Please wait patiently. When all is done, your iPhone XR will boot up to the home screen. Plug your phone into wall power with a charging cable and charger. Now, you should hear the charging sound, and the device charges properly. Step 8. Check the hardware. If you end up with iPhone XR not charging with 0 remaining with USB cable or wireless charger, you should check the hardware. Remind yourself if the phone has been damaged before. Some common scenarios are that iPhone XR won't charge after getting wet or with a defective battery, a damaged charging port, or a cracked screen. Step 9. Factory reset iPhone XR. OK, before you go to the Apple Repair Center to examine the hardware, the last resort to fix iPhone XR not charging or charging slowly issue is to factory reset the device. In rare cases, the device doesn't charge or turn on to show the red charging icon when plugged in because of the virus attacks. To fix it up, you have to reset the system and bring the device back to its most original status. A big note is that everything will be deleted unless you have backups for the content. If you're fine with that, here's how to fix an iPhone XR that's not charging by resetting it. Plug your iPhone XR into the computer and run iTunes or Finder. Then, put your iPhone XR into recovery mode. Quickly press the volume up button, volume down button, and keep pressing the side button until you see a computer icon with a cable pointing to it. Go to iTunes or Finder. Choose Restore from the popping up dialog box. Finish all the following steps and wait until it completely resets your phone. When all is done, your iPhone XR will boot up to the hello screen. Set it up quickly, and charge it, and your iPhone XR is charging now. That's all of that you need to do if your iPhone XR won't charge. If this video does help you out, please give it a thumbs up, share it on Facebook or Twitter to help more in need, and comment below to let me know. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel to stay tuned with us, or click another video to keep watching.